Hello! It is me. I'm vlogging again. Anyways, so we started our day at like, oh, and I mean hours, because this one's in bed.
Hello!
She's gonna take a nap. So we started our day at what?
Like 6?
Like 6:30, because we had to be downstairs for a media thing to go into Star Wars Land before the park opened. It was really cool. We got to go on the Millennium Falcon. Anne and I were engineers. Anyways. You done? I'll insert pictures over Anna's face because she's being annoying right now. We took some pictures in front of the Millennium Falcon, took some with Kyle, our boss. Shout out to you, Kyle. You're cool, or whatever. And then, you know, since the park was already open by the time we finished the ride, we decided to go on more. So we went on Space Mountain. But before Space Mountain, Kyle requested to go on Dumbo because he's a 33-year-old man that wants to go on Dumbo. And we went...
Astro Blaster.
No, before Space Mountain, we went on Matterhorn.
Oh, yeah.
We did so much. We did 5 rides before 9 a.m. So that was great.
And we walked on all of them.
So now Anna's going to take a little nap. I'm probably going to finish season 3 of Stranger Things. And then we'll be back in the parks. Bros.
Bros. Bye.
See you there. Look who's awake.
Hello.
Does my camera look like that? So we're both up from our little resting extravaganza. So now we're gonna go to Lamplight because we're hungry and it's now almost 2.
Sorry, I'm a girl. It happens.
It happens. It happened at the wrong time, but it happens. Okay, I feel like I'm forgetting something now.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
But as I was saying, we're going to Lamplight right now. What are you gonna get?
Porky wings. Fries.
They're called piggy wings, first of all. We can't really eat too much because...
Look at my ring.
What the frick, man?
He's a cat. He's a cat.
We can't really eat that much because Kyle, again, our boss, shout out to Kyle.
Can you pull a little picture?
This guy right here. He invited us to go to Blue Bayou to eat dinner with him and his friend Steve.
Hey, Steve.
Hey, Steve. But we're crashing dinner, it's fine. Go ahead, tell them what happened.
So we went to Lamplight. It was very crowded. Like we couldn't even walk up like we normally do. So we were a bit humped. So we ended up going to Smoke Jumpers Grill. Wait, cut it. Hang on. Don't put this in the video. We went to Smoke Jumpers Grill instead. I got chicken fingers, and they have this new drink. They said, I was like, what guys do? They have this new drink, a frozen Jack Coke. Frozen Jack, and yeah, why am I having a stroke? And I didn't like it because I don't really like Jack, but this girl, it's not really frozen anymore. It's fine. Do you think I'm loud enough? Are they gonna hear me?
I don't know, ask them.
Can you guys hear me? I just have a Coke. Look at my nails again, and my ring again. Now we're at Mickey's Farm Magic Show.
Hi everybody, it's me!
So, we're leaving DCA, we're going Disneyland, because we have a fast pass for Thunder. We're gonna ride the train around before we ride the crazy train. Look at my ears though, feet. I don't know anymore.
What am I doing?
You're vlogging.
I was telling you a story.
Yeah, so tell a story on this.
So there was a, I feel so stupid. I can't, I'm gonna run into somebody.
Not these two, but the other two.
What are you doing?
Kyle, our boss.
Hey Steve.
Steve.
This little girl had, she had one of those bubble thingies. And I saw the realization, I have to do with her face. She was doing the bubbles and she was like At what? At the bubbles. And then she put the bubble thing behind her butt and it looked like she was farting bubbles. And she was like, I was like, that's gonna be my daughter. And that's my story, everybody. We just finished Blue Bayou. Whoa! Ah, frick. We just finished Blue Bayou. Eating at Blue Bayou, thanks to Kyle. Oh, finally went that steep. My arm's hurting. How do you guys do this? I'm tired. We're going to Star Wars Land now. We got reservations for Olga's. Not Olga's. Olga's. Cantina. That has some drunken drags at Disneyland for the first time ever. Because Disneyland only sells alcohol, Star Wars Land now, and Club 33 for those of you who don't know.
And then afterwards, we're going on Guardians. And then who knows what? And hopefully World of Color. We have
The
fast
Rapids.
passes. Oh.
Kyle.
Yeah, Kyle wants to go on the Rapids. Okay, we'll see you later when we meet up with Anna's family. You guys haven't seen them yet. So, or do they exist?
If we have any problems in there, we can always just shoot them.
Shoot them with what?
Our labors.
What the heck is that?
Hey, you nerds! We're going to Guardians of the Galaxy. Guardians. What song do you hope we get?
I like Jackson 5.
That's always a good one. Is that the Fast Pass line?
I look terrible.
I love this song.
This is a long line.
I feel like the normal line short.
I know.
Okay, a little change of plans, everybody. The Fast Pass line was very long and it wasn't moving, so now we're gonna get a nice ice cold beer. Okay, so total scenery change, what? And outfit change, whatever. But we're back in our room and we went on Grizzly twice. The first time we didn't get, you know, too soaked.
I did.
Fine, she did. So did I. But it wasn't like the dramatic like, oh my god, it's going on. And then, you know, it's pretty much 10 p.m. at night, so we're like, there's no line. Let's go again. Right, Anna?
Right.
Was that a good decision?
No.
So, here's the thing, okay? I just took a shower. Anna did not take a shower. That's the rapid. But you know what? Everything's fine. We're gonna do face masks. And then we're just gonna go to sleep because tomorrow is what? The broadcast! Woo! So that will be part 2 of this vlog. Hopefully it was a good enough vlog. But stay tuned. Good night. Stay tight. Anyways. You done?